Yo, 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 what is up, guys? You know what it is? Quarter laundry day. Let's see what we get, guys. We're looking for anything pre-1964. 1970s. Looking for double dyes on 1970s. Also a Spitting Eagle variety. 1976. Those the bicentennials. I collect those. 1983s. So, guys, be on the lookout. Stay tuned. Other one going. There's two going at the same time. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, this is what I have looking through the whole pile. My first 83. Okay, guys, this is the aftermath. A very beautiful bicentennial right there. And a 1970. We'll check those under the scope as soon as I get home. The rest of them no good. Some earlier dates though. 67s, 65s, 87. That was an 87 actually. I thought it was an 83. But hey, better luck next time. I got a 70 I can check for the double dye obverse. And black steel. Check it out. Short video, guys. Have a blessed one.